In this video, I'm going to show you how to add some navigation in to a lesson activity. You'll first go to your lesson without turning editing on, and then choose Edit Lesson. You can see from here, for this example, that we have some content pages, some questions, and where they jump to. There is some navigation built in here already. For instance, this first page goes to the next page after the content has been viewed, read, or watched. Then a check for understanding, and then if the students have not answered that question correctly, it looks like it's directing them back to the first content page. For a content page, if we click on the gear to edit it, we can see that there's different steps that can direct students to different parts of the content after they have viewed the first content. What this is that you can link it to the next content page, or give the students an option to skip a page or go view more content related to the material. You do not need these if you're just creating a linear lesson, but you have the options if you wish to make something more robust. The default is to click on the next page. For the multiple choice question, if I click on the gear, this will change the direction depending on the question's answer. We can see here that the incorrect response to this question will direct students back to the first page. If you have other pages, you can also direct students to other pages as well. For instance, if they have not answered the question correctly here, you may direct them to an additional content page before they are directed back to this question, which may show the material in a different way. With the content pages and question pages, this is relatively simple to do, and you have to just be mindful of the order you have these in. If you would like to add a page that goes in between these, you can add a page, and it would end up between these two. If you would like to move something, say this question or this video would like to be higher in the list, we can put it over to here, and it reorders the list. In this case, I clicked the same location, so I went to the same location. If I click the bottom one and want to move it to the top, it would end up at the top. Within settings, you can change the appearance, so it would show the progress bar to students to show how far they've gone in the lesson, or display a menu, which would show all the pages on the side and all the content pages so students can navigate freely. There are more settings as well that for this basic video we will not get into. The flow control allows the students to review a question or review the material, provide an option to answer the question again, and then the maximum number of question attempts per question. So if you have material that's going back and forth, you may wish to give them more chances at answering that material. And then show more. We can change the number of pages to show, which we will leave as the default for 1. That is the basics of the navigation for the lesson tool. Thank you for watching.